Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix HOT 11S. In this video I will show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can enable or disable iCar, schedule it, and change its intensity. Next, we can change wallpaper, both for home screen and lock screen. Next, we can enable or disable dark theme, screen keep bright, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable ultra touch between normal, fast and ultra fast, and motion speed between normal and fast. Next, we can change screen refresh rate between 90 Hz, 60 Hz and auto switch refresh rate. Then we can change font size, enable or disable inadvertently mode, auto rotate screen, status bar network speed display, and manage lock screen preferences like lock screen notifications, add text on lock screen, and lock screen overlay. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.